We know you're excited to try out your new ResMed N30i nasal mask for more freedom while you sleep, so we'll help you quickly get started by jumping right into the mask assembly instructions. Remove each item from the packaging to make sure none of the pieces are damaged. Place the elbow ring into the top of the frame and then insert the elbow. It will snap into place with a click. Next, attach the headgear to the frame by inserting the ends into the frame and pulling the fastening tabs backward. Attach the ends of the frame into the holes on the cushion and make sure the arrows on the frame and cushion are aligned. Pull the headgear over your head and make sure the elbow is at the top. Then, place the cushion under your nose and align the pillows with your nostrils. Use the fastening tabs to tighten your mask until the cushion fits comfortably under your nose. It should not feel tight. Congratulations! You're ready to enjoy your increased field of vision that your new mask provides by reading or using your phone during CPAP therapy. To remove the mask, press the buttons on the side of the elbow to detach the CPAP tubing, and remove the cushion from the frame. Take off the headgear and frame to be free of your CPAP until you come back to bed.